Welcome back, guys. My name is Ken from Unparalleled Houston Homes, and today we are in Tamron, located in Katy, Texas. It's one of those huge master plan communities that you guys have to check out. In here, we have home prices starting at $317,000, going up to $588,000, depending on what you're looking for. We're looking at two homes today, priced at $360,000 and $588,000. So be sure to watch the end of the video if you guys want to get all the information about taxes, incentives, and all of that. All right, guys, let's go check out the first home. Walk with me. Welcome in, guys. For the first home, we have a 4-bedroom, 1-story home. On the left-hand side, we have 2 bedrooms with a bathroom wedged in between. As for flooring, we have tile flooring in all living space. Bedrooms will have carpet. The ceiling is 9 feet high. And as you make your way towards the center of the home, we're gonna have an open concept kitchen, quartz countertop, laminate cabinets with tons of storage space. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the showing. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the home? Comment down below and let us know. For me, I really love the community and especially this home. This home is called the Kingston. It's a 1-story, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, 2,000 square foot home, priced at approximately $360,000. And if you guys upgrade the front elevation of the home from brick to stone, you can expect to spend another $1,000 to $2,000. What I really like is that this is the base price. So what you see is what you pay, rather than going to another builder and selecting upgrades and selecting the lot and all that, and it could just add up to a huge amount more. As for incentive, it's really great. They're having that basic D.R. Horton incentive where they give you a 5.5% interest rate lock, $7,500 towards your closing costs, and they're paying your title, which is usually around like $2,000. With that, you're also getting the appliance package, which is washer, dryer, refrigerator, brand new. The stove is always included with the dishwasher, the sprinkler system, blinds, and much, much more. $588,000. Do you guys think this home is worth it? This home is called the Chloe. It's a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 3,000 square foot home. Actually, it's the last home that they have available. So if you guys like the Chloe, you guys need to go fast. It's this exact model home that they are selling. Let's go check out the amenity center now. Taxes in this neighborhood is 2.9% before homestead exemptions, and HOA is $1,250 a year. But if you guys want to purchase a home in a gated community, it's going to be $1,550. As for schools, we have Tamron Elementary School, Robert Middle School, Lehman Junior High School, Churchill Full Share High School. So Tamron is located west of Katy, just on the border before we head into Full Share. From here to downtown, it's approximately 35 minutes. Katy Mills Outlet is approximately 15 minutes away, and they are currently building a bunch of commercial buildings that will host restaurants, convenience stores, and many essential stores. Well guys, thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If you guys have any plans on moving to Houston, let us know. Unparalleled Houston Homes,